The West Lafayette City Council looks at several issues at its pre-council meeting tonight.
Chauncey Square, a project abandoned for almost a decade, could soon be completed. The development at Chauncey Avenue and South Street includes a commercial and residential building along with a parking garage. An additional apartment complex was never added because the recession put the developer out of business. A new developer now wants to finish the project by adding high-end student apartments. Council members question if there would be enough parking spaces given to retailers in the development. Currently, only 5 spaces are allocated for them.
And just to allow one per tenant, when we know we have people working there, we know we have managers and not to mention employees or customers coming in, it just seems to me that we may be cutting ourselves a little short.
It's a largely pedestrian-oriented area down there, and anytime I've gone down there, I haven't had any issues with parking.
The council also discussed final approval of a tax break for Dow AgroScience. The business is expanding at the Purdue Research Park. The council will make a final determination on a 10-year tax abatement that will bring new jobs to West Lafayette.
It's about 30 full-time jobs, and then there also are some part-time jobs, about 30 hours per week.
The council received a special report on tax abatement compliance in the city. All 11 companies with abatements met the city requirements for the tax breaks.
All of our abatements were at expected employment levels or investment levels, so we're very, very pleased with that.
The council will also take the final vote on creating a historic preservation commission for the city.
The City Council will vote on these matters on Monday, June 6th at 6:30 p.m. at West Lafayette City Hall.